Okay, so we are back a couple hours later and they're dried, and ta-da! These are the finished products. Here we are. Whoops. Some of them you got to be careful when unmolding them because fingerprints will show. So these are the erasers. And these are the soaps. Very glittery. I put the sparkle mica in there. And I just thought I should show you some packaging tips. To package this, I just went to the Dollar Tree and got some cling wrap. And I will just heat press. If you have a heat gun or a hair dryer, just heat it. Stick a label back there and you're good to go. Or if you're giving them out for gifts, get a nice little bag, put it in the bag, and then there you go. I thought with school and things like that, you're not allowed to bring candy anymore, so I thought these were a nice alternative. Or you can give them to your church friends, friends at work, things like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, maybe a comment, and I will be back with more DIYs. I do apologize for taking such a long break without any notice. That's my microwave. I have been very busy, and I do miss you all. I miss soaping, and I miss my soap chat rooms. If you even call it that anymore. I don't think you call it chat rooms. You know, group message things on Facebook. I took myself off from Facebook. I needed just, you know, a little mental break. But I am back and I am making some things. I also have another way to package these. I did some Easter soaps. So it's basically the same thing as I did with the Valentine's Day soaps. And I just thought, you know, there's some cellophane here. And I just got it from the Dollar Tree. And these cute little bunny boxes from the Dollar Tree. If you celebrate Easter, or if you like Easter, you can give that to your kids or your neighbor or whoever. So that's it for now. I will be back with another video. I have planned a few videos. Right now I'm working on something so I can show you the final product and then do it later on. A blueberry cake I'm very excited about. And I've also been working on soapy cupcakes. I have blueberry, and this one is my absolute favorite. I am obsessed with all things pastry-like, and this is a birthday one. And this is all melt and pour. This is melt and pour. This is melt and pour. And I can do a tutorial on this if you guys would like that. Me personally, a lot of people are not going to like my tutorial only because I do it the extra hard way. I do it one cupcake at a time, and I'll tell you why. Because I have tried a million melt and pour frostings, and they do not get hard, like at all. I mean, they're okay to package, but they don't get like, you know, soap hard. They spring back. It's weird in the package when people get them. They say, it's a little messed up, this and that. But if you look here, I mean, it doesn't even spring back, and I'm like pushing with force. It doesn't spring back, and that's because I do it the extra long way. It's very tedious. However, I like the way it comes out. It comes out with the defined lines, and they are soapy hard. And then you just add your embeds. It does take a long time, but I will be doing a tutorial on that. So until next time, I shall see you, and I hope you all had a nice holiday, Happy New Year, and thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I will answer all of the comments below, and I will leave links to where I got all my things, and I will leave links to where you can buy the things I got from the Goodwill alternative places. Okay, until next time.